Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Rafael. In today's video, we will learn how to make a handmade craft for Father's Day. Materials. The materials we need are 2 pieces of foamy, 1 white and 1 blue. A tin can, I will use this one. Glue. I will use silicone, but you can use any glue. A black marker. A ruler. And scissors. Steps. First, measure the size of the can and mark its dimensions on the white piece of foamy. Now, with the help of an adult, cut out the foamy to cover the can. Now, with the silicone, carefully glue the foamy on the can till the whole can is covered. Then draw the shape of a tie on the blue piece of foamy. And with the help of an adult, cut out the tie. Now with the silicone, glue the tie on the can in this way. Then on the leftover piece of white foamy, draw the shape of a shirt collar. It can be like this. And with the help of an adult, cut out the shape of the shirt collar. Now with the silicone, glue it over the tie. Finally, to simulate the seams, with the black marker, draw small lines in the contour of the collar of the shirt. And we are done. This is how it should look like at the end. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.